Hello guys, this is Nawab Solutions. What appliances use the most electricity in your home? These common household appliances are driving up your electricity bill. Here's what you need to know plus tips on minimizing your home appliance energy consumption. The average US household spent around $115 per month on electricity to power their electrical appliances in 2019. While this number varies from the state to state depending on the local cost of the electricity and then household's electricity needs, the general rule of the thumb is that the average household could be saving on their electricity costs. One study even found that most households only actually use around 65% of what they spend every month. The other 35% goes to the waste due to the vampire appliances, those that use the electricity even when off. So, what makes your electricity bill so high? Which appliances use the most electricity and how can you save on those costs? Below we break down the answers to these questions. Which home appliances use the most electricity? Number 1, heating and cooling 45 to 50%. The largest electricity consumer in the average household is your heating and cooling appliance by a long shot. Central air conditioners and heaters use tons of the energy in the order to keep your home set to the right temperature, although it depends on which one of you use more heating or cooling. Heating generally uses more electricity throughout the year, accounting for 25% of your annual electricity usage. Water heater 12%. If you have an electric water heater, then it is likely to the second biggest energy consumer in your home. You use your water heaters for things like showering, washing dishes, using the sink, and laundry. Altogether, these activities add up to make water heaters a pretty significant suck of energy every month, lighting 9 to 12%. Light bulbs have become far more energy efficient over the year. Today, the top lighting technology on the market, LEDs, use significantly less energy than their predecessors, CFLS and incandescent bulbs, and also last much longer, which reduces waste. Not to mention, they cost less to run too. Still, lighting accounts for a significant portion of your electricity usage every month because of how much usage they get. Refrigerator 8%. Although your refrigerator actually does not require that much energy to run every hour, it racks up quite a bit of electricity usage simply because it's always on. Washer and dryer 5%. The monthly energy usage of your washers and dryers depends on how often you do laundry, of course, but when you do run the washer and dryer, they tend to suck up a lot of electricity, especially if you run your washer with hot water. On average, doing laundry accounts for about 5% of your annual electricity usage. Electric oven 3%. Cooking is energy intensive, especially if you have an electric oven and cooktop. Electric ovens generally are responsible for about 3% of your monthly electricity usage. Dishwater 2%. Your dishwater requires a relatively low amount of electricity. Generally speaking, it accounts for around 2% of your monthly usage total. TV and cable box 2%. TV and cable boxes are remarkably energy efficient today. The problem is they often run even when you are not using them. Those standby hours can rack up some electricity usage, and as a result, your TV and cable box consume around 2% of your monthly electricity total. Electricity usage data was compiled from multiple sources including Silicon Valley Power, Green Logic Energy, and NRA Goes Appliance Energy Estimator.